Hello everyone, welcome to Real Academy. We'll be today talking about one topic, that is chapter number 7 from standard 10 SSC. Within this, we'll be talking about this clean technology topic named as oil spill, which we define as something which is a major man-made disaster जहाँ पे जो भी petroleum and everything, the oil which is being snatched out from the earth will be basically spill off inside the oceans, because of which oil forms a layer over the oceans. Sunlight cannot enter. पानी के नीचे जो भी आपके पास एक्वाटिक प्लांट्स है, दोस कैनॉट एब्जॉर्ब लाइट, नो फोटोसिंथेसिस, डेथ ऑफ दोस प्लांट्स, डेथ ऑफ स्मॉल फिशेस. Once the death of small fishes occur, bacteria will be attacking on them and thereby the whole water will be completely polluted. Similarly, as there is oil over the water layer, oil can catch fire. Due to high sunlight, oil can catch fire. That will eventually lead to fires inside the ocean, will lead to increase in the temperature of the ocean. Now we already know one thing, fishes are cold-blooded animals. If the temperature of the ocean increases in that specific area, if the temperature increases, we already know fishes will die of that increased temperature. In this way, pollution creates a major havoc inside that particular part, and therefore this clean technology needs to be applied as far as your ocean protection is concerned. So we already know that oil spill basically occurs because of human activities. After these activities are occurring, let's say your oil spill has occurred. Oil spill होने के बाद what should be done there? That oil should be removed. Oil should be removed by some activities of the humans. Let's say, for example, mechanical activities. But those mechanical activities won't lead to complete removal of the oil. Rather, we take help from bacteria. Bacteria are today capable of eating those oil which is being spilled inside the ocean. Okay, one of the bacteria which can do that work is named as Alcanovirax borcumensis. If I can split this word, alcano means alkanes. We already have read that in science 1, big chain of methyl groups, or this big chain of carbon. Vorax means to destroy. Okay, bacteria who are destroying alkanes. The next word is borcumensis. Borcumen means a city in Germany where this bacteria was found out for the first time. That's Alcanovirax borcumensis, who can eat alkanes of that oil, thereby cleaning that complete water of this particular pollution. Next bacteria is Pseudomonas. Pseudo means false, we already know. For example, Pseudopodia. Pseudo means false. Monas means body, a false body, a body which is not having a defined well structure. These are the two main bacteria. Both of these bacteria are also called as HCB, that is hydrocarbonoclastic bacteria. Hydrocarbon, which means this particular chain. Let's, for example, this is your chain. We know we have drawn about a catenation property of the carbon. Carbon contains hydrogen, we can see here. So therefore the molecule is named as hydrocarbon. Okay, hydrocarbonoclastic, clastic means to destroy, to break up. यही molecule को तोड़ा जाएगा पूरी तरह by these two bacteria, that is Pseudomonas and Alcanovirax borcumensis. Once this all is broken down, यहाँ से carbon dioxide is released outside. वही carbon dioxide plants absorb करके, you know already what will be done. Photosynthesis can occur. So simply a big chain of oil is basically broken down, split down into carbon dioxide by this bacteria, thereby helping in to prevent pollution. That's about this particular part. Similarly, if we can look at the next part, for example, we can see this scientist named as Dr. Anand Chakravarti, and why this scientist is important for this topic, we can see this bacteria here. Bacterial's name is Pseudomonas putida. A bacteria designed by the scientist. Bacteria के अंदर DNA change किया हुआ है. Genetic engineering के वजह से today this bacteria is capable of eating all that oil inside the oceans, being developed by one scientist named as Dr. Anand Chakravarti in USA. This bacteria is designed, which means if you add this bacteria to the oceans, ocean का जो भी oil था, that complete oil will be eaten by that bacteria, thereby your oil pollution can be prevented. This is how one of the pollution can be prevented, which is creating a major havoc in the whole world, क्योंकि वही pollution आपके पास समुद्र का पानी खराब कर सकता है. इसकी वजह से बहुत सारे aquatic animals, बहुत सारे aquatic plants का life बर्बाद कर सकते हैं. In this way, basically this bacteria might be somewhere helpful, and therefore the chapter name is Introduction to Microbiology, one of the techniques of microbiology which we can prevent pollution in our world. So simply bacteria is important. Again, one more bacteria which we just discussed, that is named as Alcanovirax borcumensis. So in this way, this was the topic. Thank you for attending the session. Do like, share and subscribe.